everyone, that is Shin Mehak here, the founder of NutriRoot and a clinical nutritionist. So in my previous video, I spoke about certain dietary and lifestyle changes required for PCOS. And in this video, I'm going to cover 5 superfoods required for PCOS. You can include them into your day-to-day life and see the magic happening. As we discussed that PCOS is related to hormonal imbalance and metabolic disorder happening in the female's body that may result in acne, hirsutism, weight gain, irregular periods and trouble getting pregnant. So what are the superfoods that you can include? Without wasting any time, our first superfood is flax seeds. Now these golden seeds gifted to us by Mother Nature are filled with nutrients. They have phytoestrogen. Now these phytoestrogen help in normalizing your menstrual cycle, and second thing is they have lignans. Now this lignans, the function of lignans is to flush out excess amount of androgens, that is your male hormone. So what you can do is you can ground some flaxseed, put them in your yogurt or smoothie or salads. You can also put them in your chapatis or make a mukwas out of it. A second superfood is shatavari. Now, females with PCOS were given shatavari in a clinical study and it showed decrease in ovarian volume when compared to the pre-treated stage. It also reduced the endometrium lining. Also, the rate of hirsutism was decreased. The hair growth at unwanted place was reduced, and shatavari also has a property which is related to insulin, that is it helps in increasing insulin sensitivity. So there is already a hormonal imbalance that is happening in the female's body when it comes to PCOS, and there is insulin resistance also. So shatavari does wonders when it comes to PCOS and metabolic disorder, that is insulin resistance. So it helps in reducing insulin resistance. It also helps in reducing inflammation. So what you can do is you can have shatavari powder. You can mix a tablespoon of shatavari powder in a glass of water and have it on an empty stomach in the morning or before you sleep at night. Third superfood is one of the required spices in Indian cuisine. It is cinnamon. Yeah, so cinnamon, a strong flavored spice, is very much used in Indian cuisine and it has a very good and a positive impact on insulin resistance. It helps to improve your metabolism and that aids in weight loss and also helps in regulating your menstrual cycle. Our fourth superfood is cold pressed coconut oil. Now cold pressed coconut oil is rich in lauric acid that has an anti-inflammatory property. When a person has PCOS, there is a chronic low-grade inflammation in the body. So this lauric acid from your coconut oil can help in reduction of inflammation, and also they have good amount of MCTs, that is a medium chain triglyceride that can be broken down easily and absorbed easily and gives quite instant energy. What you can do is you can have a tablespoon of coconut oil first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, or you can also use them in your preparation. Our fifth superfood is peppermint tea, also known as Pahadi Pudina. This tea has anti-androgenic effect. That is, it helps in reducing your testosterone level in the body. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of peppermint tea on a regular basis can help in reducing free testosterone by 30%. Also helps in balancing your luteinizing hormone, that is LH, and FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone, that is required to regulate your periods. So this also helps in balancing these two hormones. Other than that, the symptoms that are caused by PCOS, it helps in reducing them also, right? Your acne, hirsutism, stress, inflammation. So a cup of peppermint tea before bed is a very good option. It will calm you down and also help in resolving all your symptoms related to PCOS. This was all about the superfoods that you should include when you have PCOS and see magic happening. Of course, it is not going to happen overnight. It is going to take some time, but be consistent. Also, females who don't get their periods on time without PCOS, they can include these superfoods a week or 2 weeks prior to their periods and see the wonders happening. They will get their periods on time. Until next time, eat good food, keep moving, smile throughout the day. Thank you.